Article 8 stresses that teachers must treat students with utmost respect and fairness. No discrimination, no favoritism. Good moral character means all students must valued and empowered and feel safe. Nabalik, nabaligtad ko. Pero okay na yun. Okay lang yun.
Ibuhos na lang sa akin yung tubig siya.
Tang ina. Yung kuko naman natin nag ano.
Bold daw.
Yung bold? Sige.
Tuloy mo.
Wait lang. Sorry. Okay, wait. Shh.
Go.
Gago. Saan na yun? Wait lang na wala, gagi.
8.
Ito na. Teachers must treat all learners with dignity and fairness, providing them with equal learners' opportunities. They must protect learners from harm, discrimination, or abuse in any form.